Now let us take the number 18 and see whether we can build 18 with different colored bead bars. If we take the bead bar of 1, we can make any number, right? With 1 you can make any number. So we will not take 1, we will start taking 2. 2 taken 1 time is 2. 2 taken 2 times is 4. 2 taken 3 times is 6. 2 taken 4 times is 8. 2 taken 5 times is 10. 2 taken 6 times is 12. 2 taken 7 times is 14. 2 taken 8 times is 16. 2 taken 9 times is 18, isn't it? So we could make the number 18 out of 2. Now let us see whether we can make the number 18 out of 3. 3 taken 1 time is 3. 3 taken 2 times is 6. 3 taken 3 times is 9. 3 taken 4 times is 12. 3 taken 5 times is 15. 3 taken 6 times is 18. So we could make 3 taken 6 times as 18. So let us try with 4. Bead bar of 4. 4 taken 1 time is 4. 4 taken 2 times is 8. 4 taken 3 times is 12. 4 taken 4 times is 16. 4 taken 5 times is 20. Now it crossed 18, right? The number 20 is more than 2 more than 18. So if we remove this bead bar, it will be 16. 4 taken 4 times is 16. So it will be 2 less than 16. So we couldn't make 18 from 4. Let us check with 5. 5 taken 1 time is 5. 5 taken 2 times is 10. 5 taken 3 times is 15. 5 taken 4 times is 20. So it's again 2 more than 18. So we couldn't make the number 18 from 5. Let us try out with 6 now. 6 taken 1 time is 6. 6 taken 2 times is 12. 6 taken 3 times is 18. We got 18 from 6. So we could build 18 from 6. Let us see with 7. 7 taken 1 time is 7. 7 taken 2 times is 14. 7 taken 3 times is 21. More than 18. If you remove this, it will become less than 18. So with 7 we couldn't make 18. Let us try with 8. 8 taken 1 time is 8. 8 taken 2 times is 16. 8 taken 3 times is 24. So again we couldn't make the number 18 out of 8. Let us take 9. 9 taken 1 time is 9. 9 taken 2 times is 18. We got 18 quickly. So we could make the number 18 from 9. We could build the number 18 out of 9. Bead bar of 9. So there is a special name for these numbers. 2, 3, 6 and 9 are called factors of 18. factors, the name factors has come out of another word called facere. Facere means to build. Okay, so these numbers 2, 3, 6 and 9 are factors of 18. Shall we, do you want to do one more number? See the factors of maybe 24. Do you want to see the factors of 24? Okay, very good.